It's me, Mario!
Hello! Okie dokie. Let's go!
Unbelievable!
I quit. I'm out of here.
I'm done.
You blew the entire stunt. Way to go, turkey.
I'm a rooster!
Union guys. Well, you win some, you lose some. Gotta know when to hold 'em, when to fold 'em. 4 score and 7 years. You know what I mean?
Are you quitting on me, son?
Everybody else quit, so I quit. Mob mentality.
I guess I was wrong about you, son.
What's that supposed to mean?
Roosters are loyal. Roosters never quit. Roosters, I say roosters, fight to the end. And, son, you are no rooster.
Did you just call me a no rooster?
What are you gonna do about it,
Round
son?
one.
I say, what
Fight.
are you gonna do about it?
Well, what's your expert opinion?
Ooh, unless my eyes deceive me, it appears to be an authentic Satsuma vase.
Ooh! What's a Satsuma vase?
It's an ornate ceramic vessel from 14th century Japan.
Is it valuable?
I'd say your vase is worth approximately
$1 million!
Oh,
Now, which one of you lucky two found it?
I did. I was swimming laps in my pool when my dumb dog dug a hole in my yard. I saw the vase, picked it up, and I very clearly stated, this is interesting.
That's all I needed to hear.
No, it's quite all right. It's just a Tiffany lamp.
After all, things are replaceable.
Well, not that. That was one of a kind.
Round two. Fight.
Take that! Ow! And that! And that!
Is that all you got?
I'm still standing here.
They've broken nearly everything in the store.
Well, look on the bright side. Soon there'll be nothing left to break.
Daffy? Bugs?
Well, look who finally learned to cry.
Ow! I say
Round
ow!
three. Fight.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Oh, you were!
This is so much fun. It's smashing up. I made a joke.
I think you might be a rooster after all, son.
That's all I ever wanted to be.
The Burmese turtle! We found it!
It's beautiful. I say it's beautiful.
It's mine! Oh, I'm so happy. I've never been filled with so much joy.
Finish
I feel like
him.
I'm about to...
That was interesting.
Bye-bye.